Indonesia has a floating mosque located in Kendari city, southeast Sulawesi province. The mosque is called Masjid Al-Alam Kendari, which was founded in 2010. In addition to being a place of worship, Masjid Al-Alam Kendari is an icon of religious tourism in Kendari city. The establishment of this floating mosque has a long history that accompanies it. Launching from dispodpar.kendarikota.go.id, the establishment of the Al-Alam Mosque was first initiated during the leadership of the Governor of Southeast Sulawesi, Nua Alam. Later, the mosque was inaugurated and used in 2018.
Cukup sekali bayar aja.
The location of this mosque is on Jalan Masjid Al-Alam, Lalalara District, Kendari City, Southeast Sulawesi. Al-Alam Mosque has a building area of 4,302 square meters with a capacity of 10,000 worshippers. The mosque, which was built on a land area of 12,692 square meters, was designed by an architect named Mursyid Mustafa from South Sulawesi.
Ini tempat wudhunya besar sekali, lumayan kalau misalnya kita sama dengan masjid yang di kampung juga. Ini tempat wudhu. Menaranya kurang lebih ini sekitar 50 meter.
This mosque is designed to resemble the Burj Khalifa building in Dubai with 4 minarets surrounding the mosque and has 3 main buildings, namely the main building of the mosque, a closed plaza, and an open plaza. The mosque has 2 domes, namely the main and secondary domes. The main dome has a large ivory yellow color that creates a magnificent impression on the Al-Alam Mosque.
Sana itu kota Kendari. Nah, kemungkinan nanti sore kita akan ke jembatan kaca yang baru diresmikan 1 bulan lalu oleh Gubernur Sulawesi. Tepatnya ada di depan sana.
The dome of the Al-Alam Mosque also has a semicircular shape with a mechanism of opening and closing the petals of 8 flowers.
Februari 2018 berarti 4 tahun ya. 4 tahun, baru 4 tahun. Oke. Dari lima, ayo. Jadi sahabat orang Taruna, Masjid Al-Alam Kendari berada di persisnya dari daratan ke sini sekitar 3 km untuk mencapai sini. Kalau sini aman ya, karena memang ombaknya nggak terlalu gede kayak di tempat kita. Jadi memang meskipun angin lagi kencang, kalau misalkan lagi pasang juga nggak jadi masalah. Jadi kalau misalkan sahabat orang Tura main ke Kendari, jangan lupa kunjungi.
This number was chosen because it is a symbol in the concept of Islam and the concept of the hero Halu Olio. While the secondary dome has a semicircular shape with an open and closed system like the dome on the Nabawi Mosque. Uniquely, Masjid Al-Alam Kendari is located on an artificial island in the middle of the sea surface, precisely in Kendari Bay. Not surprisingly, this mosque has the nickname Floating Mosque. This is what attracts tourists to visit this mosque. The scenery and calm atmosphere around the mosque add to the solemnity of Muslims worshipping in this mosque. If you are lucky, visitors can also see seagulls flying around the mosque.
Assalamualaikum Mbak. Enggak, kita dari channel Karang Taruna Banten. Kebetulan kan sekarang lagi eksplor wisata yang di Kendari. Masih mau tanya-tanya sedikit. Mbak orang sini asli kan? Bukan. Tapi seenggaknya tahu nggak masjid ini dibangunnya kapan? Oh, berkunjung juga sama. Oh, jadi pengunjung juga. Mbak dari mana?
Dari Raha.
Oh, dari Raha. Oh, jadi sengaja kesini main. Oh, kuliah di sini juga. Oh. Oh, berarti sama dong, saya juga baru sini. Jadi jangan takut, Mbak ya. Tapi nggak apa-apa kan, saya tampilin di YouTube ini. Iya, Karang Taruna, Pasir Bungur, Banten. Nggak apa-apa kan? Oke. Jadi sahabat Karang Taruna, ternyata mbak-mbak ini juga baru pertama ke sini. Cuman mereka kuliah di sini. Asalnya dari mana tadi asalnya? Dari Praha. Berapa kilo dari sini, Mbak?
Jauh, kadang-kadang naik kapal.
Oh, naik kapal. Ada tempat wisata di sana? Banyak. Oh, nanti itu sebuah referensi ya. Mungkin karena waktu kita di sini 2 bulan, mudah-mudahan.
The journey to this mosque is quite long, because visitors must pass through the mangrove forest first to get to this mosque.
Oke, sahabat Karang Taruna, jalan-jalan di masjid hari ini sampai di sini aja. Nanti sore kita akan ke jembatan kaca sama jembatan Teluk untuk lihat kondisi di sana. Jadi lumayan, wow, panasnya.